Good morning, sweeties! Today is Tuesday and we are going to work on vocabulary. Are you ready? Very good. Let's start. Okay, our title today will be Vocabulary List June Week 1. Don't forget to write the complete date. Today is Tuesday, June the 2nd, 2020. And we are working in the green notebook, the vocabulary notebook. Let's start checking our first word. Number 1 is symbol. Symbol is a noun and it means a mark or a character used as a conventional representation of an object, function, or process. Example, the letter or letters standing for a chemical element or a character in musical notation. In here we have some symbols. Can you identify any of it? I think you can do it. Next one. Cliffs. Cliffs is a noun. In this case, it's in plural. A cliff is a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. This rock face, this vertical, almost vertical rock, that is a cliff. When you have rocks very, very tall next to the sea. Ferry. Ferry is a noun, and it means a boat or ship for conveying passengers and goods, especially over a relative short distance and as a regular service. For example, in New York, you can find several ferries. Beach. Beach is a noun and it means a pebbly or sandy shore, especially by the ocean, between high and low water marks. We miss the beach, right? Number 5, chairlift. Chairlift is a noun and it means a series of chairs hung from a moving cable typically used for carrying passengers up and down a mountain. Road. Road is a noun and it means a wide way leading from one place to another, especially one with a specially prepared surface which vehicles can use. Next one is cycle path. Cycle path is a noun and it means a path or marked route that is intended for people riding bicycles. Next one. Grid reference. Grid reference is a noun and it means a map reference indicating a location in terms of a series of vertical and horizontal grid lines identified by numbers or letters. In this case, we have just numbers. Map. Map is a noun and it means a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. This is a very old map, but we have Google Maps and it also shows a lot of maps in there. 10 is scale. Scale has many meanings, but in this case, we are going to learn this one. Scale is a noun and it is a set of numbers or amounts used to measure or compare the level of something. For example, in a map, when you have a world map, you cannot write, for example, meters in a map because it could be very, very, very small. But in this case, you use scales. You can scale it and make it smaller, but in proportion to the actual size of something. 11. Distance. Distance is a noun and it means an amount of space between two things or people. In this case, between these two red points, there are 187 kilometers. The next one is centimeters or centimeters. You can say it both ways. What is the difference? Okay, the first one it is the UK English, and the second one is the American English, but both are correct. And it is a metric unit of length equal to 100th of a meter. If you have a meter and you divide it in 100 pieces, each of these pieces is going to be a centimeter. Meters or meters, it's also a noun, both are correct. And it is the fundamental unit of length in the metric system, equal to 100 centimeters. If you join 100 centimeters, you are going to have a meter. Next one, kilometers. It is a metric unit of measurement equal to 1,000 meters. When you have 1,000 meters, you have 1 kilometer. Ground. Ground is a noun, and it is the solid surface of Earth. Neighborhood. Neighborhood is a noun, and it is a district, especially one forming a community within a town or a city. Inside a town or a city, you can have several neighborhoods. Key. Key is a noun, and it is a small piece of shaped metal with incisions cut to fit the words of a particular lock, which is inserted into a lock and turned to open or close it. Outline. Outline is a noun, and it is a line or a set of lines enclosing or indicating the shape of an object in a sketch or a diagram. Can you guess what is this shape? 19 is letter, and it is a noun. A letter is a character representing one or more of the sounds used in speech, any of the symbols of an alphabet. Next word. Number. Number is a noun, and it is an arithmetical value expressed by a word, symbol, or figure representing a particular quantity and used in counting and making calculations and for showing order in a series or for identification. Okay, those were our words. What are you going to do next? You are going to write all the words in your notebook, and just the one that you don't understand, you are going to write their meanings. When you have finished, I need you to choose 10 of the words and make 10 sentences. And at the end, I need you to pick 5 of your favorite words and make illustrations. Thank you very much for being in here in this class with me. I hope you like it. And remember, if you have any questions, you can always write to me in Google Classroom. I am here for you. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye-bye.